Getting ready for a 7-day backpack elk hunt. It's bow season, so I'm packing up and gonna be heading out there to get an elk. So I'm gonna go over a bit of the gear that I'm bringing on this trip. It's an early season hunt, and so I'm not gonna have to worry about really cold snow. And then for something late season, I would use a completely different kit. But essentially all this is a big backpacking trip, and then I'm gonna obviously have a weapon, and this can be a compound bow. So really quick, let's dive in. The Hespeak XL is a 3-person teepee inside this bag. And then that's 4-season tint, so I'll have no problem with whatever the weather holds. And that just sets up with my trekking pole and an extender, and so I don't need to bring tent poles. We got backpack. So this is a framed backpack, really important because you got to haul the meat out. You can't have like an ultralight frameless pack. And then this particular pack that I can separate the pack bag from the frame, and then if I wanted to, I can haul meat in between right here. And then ultralight sleeping bag. Here's my food bag, but right now this isn't full. I haven't packed the food yet completely, but I do have some food in there right now. And then got elk bugling tube. If I want to bugle for elk, have that. This is an EVA sleeping pad. And then trekking pole, obviously. Elk hunting is all off trail, hopefully. Steep terrain, it's nice to have a trekking pole. And then over here we have, this is the kill kit. Inside the kill kit is things like 2 knives, paracord, latex gloves. I have a Tyvek ground sheet in here that I can lay the meat out to keep everything nice and clean. Game bags, that's what these guys are right here. They're washable. This is my like a ditty bag. So what I have in here is a huge battery bank, first aid kit, toilet paper, lighter, matches, flashlight, things like that. Ultralight sleeping pad. This is like a backpacking stove. So me and a buddy are gonna be sharing the weight of this. So he's gonna carry the fuel, I'm gonna carry the stove, so we can shave a lot of weight that way. Gravity filter water bag. So in camp, I can set up my water filter, which is this guy. And then I could filter endless amount of water just using like a gravity feed. And then obviously got compound bow, so that's pretty straightforward. Inside this I have just insulating layers, so like I have all synthetic. So I'm gonna be having base layer, and so that's like a long sleeve shirt similar to this one. And then I'm gonna have, let's see, a light fleece, and then a heavyweight fleece, and then I have a synthetic insulating hooded jacket in here, and then I'm gonna have a rain jacket also in here. And then this is bino harness, so you got binoculars. Inside this guy's right here is just powder, and so I can do wind checking, and that just shows you which way the wind's going. And then inside here, got a rangefinder, which is really important for archery hunting, so you know the distance of the animal. Let's see, I think that covers everything. I hope this is helpful. Show you the difference between just a backpacking trip and a backpack hunt, even though a lot of the gear is similar, but there's just a few extra things. And I'm hoping to see a lot of you guys out